In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut export not working on Android. If your exports keep failing, freezing, or not starting at all, this walkthrough will guide you through the Android settings that most often resolve it. We'll make a few adjustments in your phone's settings and then clear CapCut's cache to refresh the app without losing your projects. Start by opening your phone's settings. Scroll down to Additional Settings and then locate Developer Options. Make sure Developer Options are turned on. If developer options are already enabled, you're good to go. Just enter that menu. Once you're inside, scroll carefully through the list and look for an option related to screen overlays in settings. On many devices, this appears as something like Allow Screen Overlay in Settings, or a similarly worded toggle. Turn this on. This helps ensure that permission prompts and overlay behavior don't interfere with CapCut's export process. Next, still in Developer Options, find and enable Always Show Crash dialog. Turning this on forces Android to surface crash information instead of silently failing in the background. While it sounds technical, it can prevent invisible hiccups that stop an export without telling you why. Now scroll further to find Graphics Driver Preferences. Open it, then locate CapCut in the list of apps. Tap CapCut and switch its graphics driver to the system graphics driver. Some devices use specialized or game drivers by default, which can cause rendering or compatibility issues during export. Choosing the system driver prioritizes stability and is often the key fix for exports that stall or crash. With those settings in place, go ahead and open CapCut. In the app, tap the settings icon, then choose Clear Cache and confirm by tapping OK. Clearing the cache removes temporary files and old render fragments that can clog up the export process, but it does not delete your projects or media. If you're worried, remember that clearing cache is safe and reversible. It simply prompts CapCut to rebuild fresh temporary files the next time you edit or export. That's the full process. We adjusted overlay behavior, enabled crash dialogues for stability, set CapCut to use the system graphics driver, and cleared the app cache. Together, these steps address the most common Android side causes of CapCut export not working, especially on devices with custom graphics drivers or lots of cached data. Follow them exactly, and you should notice smoother, more reliable exports moving forward. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.